Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get Omi TV on Android. So let's get into the video. So firstly we go to get the app from the app stores, from the Play Store. So open up, go to your Play Store, and then let's search for Omi TV. And then when you search for it, and what we're going to do, we're going to open it up and install it first. So just install it on your device, and then I will show you the next process, which is signing up on Omi TV. So once you have installed, open it up, and then you have the option to, you can just sign up or log in with your Facebook. So you can just do that, and also make sure you have turned this switch on, that you have the user agreement. So you make sure you have ticked that up, and then you can hit on continue with Facebook, and this will create your, will authenticate you through your Facebook. So you can do that. So you just need to plug in your Facebook credentials and then hit on login to log into the Omi TV account. So once you have authenticated with your Facebook details, and that's it, you will be logged in, and you have now already signed up to your Omi TV account here. So now you are free and good to use Omi TV on your Android device. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy and a straightforward process. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.